Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 9, and in this video I am going to show you how to share location on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open Google Maps and we have to give permission to our location. As you can see, this blue dot is our location that we have to click on, like this. And here we have this share location button that we have to just click on. And now here you can just share it however you want to. As you can see here you have some contacts. You can even share it by messages, Chrome, Gmail, QuickShare, or you can just copy it to clipboard and share it however you like to. And that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!